If you are getting orders from Alaska, Hawaii, APO, FPO, US Protectorates, or PO box addresses, this video will save you time and money. Many sellers don't realize that eBay allow you to officially block these locations. In this video, I will show you step by step how to turn off these locations the correct way without hurting your seller metrics.
Many U.S. suppliers do not ship to locations like Alaska, Hawaii, APO, or FPO military addresses, and U.S. protectorates. In some cases, shipping to these areas is extremely expensive or very slow, which increases delivery delays. When sellers don't block these locations, it often leads to order cancellations, buyer complaints, and negative feedback. That's why blocking these locations helps protect your business and your seller performance. To start, go to your eBay Seller Hub. Seller Hub is the main control panel where you manage listings, orders, and account settings. At the top of the page, click on Account Settings. This may take a few seconds to load depending on your internet connection. While the page is loading, it's important not to rush or click multiple times. Once the Account Settings page opens, you'll see different options related to shipping, payments, and account preferences. From this menu, we'll access the shipping settings that allow us to control where buyers can place orders. This is the Shipping Preferences page in Seller Hub. On this page, you'll see several shipping-related options, including combined shipping rules, invoice requests, and carrier rate settings. Scroll down slightly until you reach the section called Rates and Exclusions. Under this section, look for the option labeled Exclude Shipping Locations. This option allows you to block specific regions from placing orders on your listings. To make changes here, click on the Edit button next to Exclude Shipping Locations. After clicking the Exclude Shipping Locations option, eBay automatically shows a button called View Shipping Policy. This happens because your listings are connected to shipping policies, not individual listing settings. After clicking View Shipping Policy, you'll be taken to the Shipping Policy page. To make changes to this policy, click on the three dots next to the policy name. This opens a small menu with additional options. From this menu, click Edit to update the shipping policy settings. Scroll down to the Preferences section and look for Excluded Locations. Click on Excluded Locations to manage which states or regions you want to block or allow. From here, you can select or deselect locations such as Alaska, Hawaii, or other regions based on your shipping needs. Once you've finished updating the excluded locations, close this section and return to the policy page. Finally, click Save to apply these changes to all connected listings. That's it. Your shipping exclusions are now updated for all connected listings. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more eBay tips.